Hello students, good morning. I am a science teacher from Shri Ram Academy High School Satna, and I have come to your door to educate you people through audio and video lectures. So students, this is a lesson of science from for class 8. This is a lesson of chapter number 2 on microorganisms, friend and foe. Okay, this is the first part of the lesson that we are going to start today for our 8th class, that is part 1 of this chapter. So students, in the last classes we learned about the crop production and management, and in this particular lesson we will be learning on the microorganisms. Okay, but so you have seen plants, animals and the things around yourself, but living things that you have seen, they are plants, animals, humans. Okay, so there are different creatures that you have seen, but there are some kinds of creatures, there are some kinds of living beings, living organisms which we cannot see. जैसा हम जिनको देख नहीं सकते हैं, जैसे हमने क्या कहा कि भाई प्लांट्स हैं, एनिमल्स हैं, उनको आप देख सकते हो, ठीक है, अच्छे से अपनी आंखों से देख सकते हो, लेकिन कुछ ऐसे भी जीव जंतु हैं, लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं, जिनको हम नहीं देख सकते हैं अपनी खुली आंखों से. तो ऐसे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, और वी ऑल्सो से देम माइक्रोब्स. दे आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज माइक्रोब्स, भी उनको कहते हैं. सो बेसिकली माइक्रोब्स होते क्या हैं? अगर आपने कभी ऑब्जर्व किया हो, जब रेनी सीजन होता है, whenever there is a rainy season, just like nowadays, so what happens whenever you leave a bread in open air, and after some hours you will see that the bread gets some white and grayish patches, gray and white patches, gray and white patches. Those gray and white patches, when you observe carefully, you will see that with a microscope, with a magnifying glass, just like this that I have holding, you can, if you observe the molds, the green and gray and white patches on the bread, you will observe some rounded black headed things that are sticking on the bread. What are those small creatures that we aren't able to figure out in that bulk? तो वो क्या होती है बेटा? That is fungus. That is fungus that we have already learned in our class 7. Okay, so there are some other creatures, microorganisms that are living around us. Just like there are 4 categories of microorganisms that live around us. They are bacteria, we also call them bacterium, fungi, and the third is protozoa, and the fourth is algae. These are some of the microorganisms that are classified in this manner. Now there is a diagram in your textbook on page number that is 18. There is a diagram 2.1 to 2.4. There are diagrams of bacteria, fungi and protozoa and algae. There are 4 diagrams, and you can see that there are different creatures that are very small to be seen through our naked eyes. So बेटा हमको पता कैसे चलेगा कि हम उसको अगर ऐसे देख नहीं सकते, तो हमें कैसा पता चलेगा कि हम ये इतने छोटे होते हैं, इनकी साइज ऐसी होती है, ये ऐसे दिखते हैं, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? So there is a device, there is an instrument called microscope. This is a microscope that is by the help of this microscope, what we do, we observe the slides of the sample in which we want to see microorganisms. जिनमें हमें microorganisms को देखना है, उनको क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पर स्लाइड रखते हैं, देन स्लाइड से we observe it through our eyepiece. Okay, so this is my instrument by which we can see the microorganisms around us. Okay, so this is basically there are 2 activities in your book, that are 2.1 and 2.2, in which you have to take the sample of water, which is in which the sand is pre-mixed, and water sample from the pond. You have to take the 2 samples and make slide of them, and then observe the type of microorganisms living in the soil and the pond water. Okay, so this is an activity that you have to perform, but in this particular chapter we will be learning about these microorganisms, that are bacteria, fungi, protozoa and algae. but these are bacteria, just like some, what we can say, there are some small creatures, finger like structures. These are bacteria. These are fungi that actually grow on bread mold. This is a picture of bread mold. ऐसे ही कुछ ब्लैक कलर के राउंड हेडेड स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं, रूटेड डाउन टू bread mold and with connected with a small sting like structure. This is a type of fungi, and again there is a type of protozoa, that is amoeba. It is also another type is that is paramecium. Then there is a type of algae, that is Spirogyra. Okay, now there are all examples that are mentioned in your book, you can refer them. But the diseases, some of the caused by the bacteria and the protozoa are listed here. Dysentery and malaria are the two diseases which are caused by protozoas. Protozoas, जो protozoa है, उनसे क्या कौन-कौन सी diseases होती हैं? Dysentery and malaria. Diseases caused by the bacterium, or actually bacteria, they are typhoid, tuberculosis are caused by बैक्टीरिया, इसलिए इनको कहते हैं बैक्टीरियल डिजीजेस भी कहते हैं इनको. सो दीज आर बेसिकली अबाउट द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. नेक्स्ट अभी हम बात करेंगे, एक और टाइप का माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म होता है, बट इट इज क्वाइट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट होता है, इसको हम कहते हैं वायरस. ओके, दीज आर फिगर्स ऑफ सम ऑफ द वायरसेस. ऐसा ही कुछ दिखता है ये वायरस. ये क्या करता है बेटा? दिस फाइंड्स अ होस्ट. ये एक पैरासाइट टाइप का है. दिस इज अ पैरासाइट. इट क्या करता है? किसी भी की बॉडी में या किसी भी सेल में घुस सकता है, और वो क्या करता है? वहां से अपना फूड एक्सट्रैक्ट करता रहता है. वहीं पर क्या करता है? रिप्रोड्यूस करता है अपने आप को, अपने नंबर्स बढ़ाता है. ठीक है, अपने नंबर्स बढ़ाता रहता है और फैलता रहता है पूरी तरफ अपनी उसकी बॉडी के अंदर ही. ठीक है, रिप्रोड्यूस इनसाइड द सेल ऑफ होस्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म. अब होस्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म कौन सा हो सकता है? होस्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म प्लांट, एनिमल्स, इवन बैक्टीरिया भी हो सकता है. ठीक है ना, बैक्टीरिया के अंदर भी वायरस हो सकता है. ये चीज यहाँ पर होती है. तो होस्ट की बॉडी के अंदर ये क्या करते हैं? रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं वायरसेस. अभी कुछ डिजीजेस हैं जो वायरस के कारण होती हैं. जनरली डिजीजेस कौन कौन सी होती हैं? कोल्ड, इन्फ्लुएंजा, फ्लू टाइप्स. ओके, कफ जो ज्यादातर जो कफ होते हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइप ऑफ कफ्स आर ड्यू टू द वायरस. पोलियो एंड चिकन पॉक्स एंड HIV AIDS and COVID-19, these are the diseases which are caused by the viruses. Okay, so in the next lectures we will be seeing about our more about microorganisms, where they live and how they take their food, and what some of them are friend or some of them are foes of others. Okay, thank you so much.